welcome to your 5-minute stretch. I'm really excited to give you some specific tools that you can use to counteract your daily activities of that hand clamping down, okay? So we are going to get started with hand pulls. We are going to say, stop, okay? After we say stop, we're going to use our other hand and make sure that it's below the knuckles of our palm, and we're going to inhale and exhale, pull it back. So you'll notice my arm staying straight. Inhale, that hand goes down. I pull back my fingers. And I exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And one more time. Inhale. And exhale. We drop our hands, kind of shake out the shoulders, shake out the hand itself, and then we do our other side. So we say stop. We pull below those knuckles as we inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And our last time as we inhale up and exhale down. We lower those hands and we shake it out. And again, you can do these seated or standing, just so you're aware. I'm standing because you might be seated during your day, so standing up would be a nice option for you. From there, what we're going to do is called listen to your shoulder. We are going to take one hand and put it behind your back. You're going to take your other hand and grab that wrist and pull. Looks like this. After I pull, I'm going to listen to my shoulder, just like I said. Hey shoulder, what's up? And then we're going to inhale. As I exhale, I twist my head to look at my shoulder. I inhale, keeping my head down, trying to listen. And I exhale as I look. Inhale, listen. Exhale, look. Inhale, listen. Exhale, look. One more time. Inhale, listen. And exhale, look. I'm going to listen again. I'm going to drop my hands. And I'm going to have that chin go down towards my chest. And then I look up. Okay? Now we do our other side. So we put our other hand behind our back. We grab that wrist. We pull. We listen. Make sure that the shoulder doesn't go up, but mine just try to do. Keep that shoulder down. And we inhale. And we exhale as we look. Inhale, listen. And exhale, look. Inhale, listen. Exhale, look. Inhale, listen. Exhale, look. Last time, inhale, listen. And exhale, look. We drop the arms. We listen. We take that chin down to the chest and look straight forward. Moving on, we are going to do our chest opener next. For our chest opener, we are going to take our hands behind our back, just like so. And we inhale, we exhale as we press those hands down. Now, if you can't get your hands together, you can hold on to something behind you. Try not to push your hips too far forward. And you just kind of hold it and breathe. And slowly, inhale, arms up. And exhale, grab those hands, press it down. And look up. If this hurts for whatever reason, your other option is to inhale and exhale as you put your hands on the small of your back, elbows back, and then look up. So as long as you get those elbows back and look up, you should be able to get the same type of stretch. If this feels better for you, then trying to do that, okay? It's a little bit more gentle on the back. And then we're done. We inhale and exhale, heart center. I hope you enjoyed those stretches. The more you do the wrist flexion and extension ones, the better it's going to be for you. And now we're going to continue on the stretch for our 10 minutes.